Oh, I didn't even see you there. Guys, today's gonna be lit. Today I'm not holding the camera because someone else is holding it for me. But yeah, today is gonna be the maddest thing. Maddest thing. As you already know from the title of the video, it is going to be African man on a jet ski for the first time in Dubai. Me, I've never been on a jet ski before. So it's going to be fun. But I see all these people driving it like this. I'm like, hey, it looks very fun, So I want to try it out myself, So yes, man, looking all fresh. Look at me, my legs are out. Like this, I'll walk, Like this, I'll walk like this to the beach. Be like, Bobby, please, give me, what do you call it? Jet ski, I want to ride. Like this, Bobby. Look at, man's got his legs out, Man's got his legs out. Hey. But man, looking sharp, you get me still, you know? Man's going back to that London vibe thing now, you get me still with the roadman and thing, you get me? Your man's looking fresh, legs out and that. Just, bruv, look at man's flops, bruv. Bruv, tell me this in fashion, guzzy. Cheers, man, looking fresh and that, you get me still. Yeah, man. Right, we're gonna cut the grass now, yeah? Man's cutting the grass, bruv, you get me still. But yeah, guys, man's gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit, yeah, you get me? Man's gonna go on that jet ski, yeah? Boom, 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 ride the thing, you get me? Ah, cool, say no more. Shut the thing down, cousin. We are at the beach, and it looks so dope, look at this. Kite Beach. No, Kite Beach. And wow, it's dope. Got the mosque in the background there. Got the beach over here. There's some crazy stuff, man. Crazy. We've got some more kites up there, look. Flipping hell. That is mad. Mustang. Got the jet skis. Jeez, I want a green one, bro. You guys know my green. This is my color. Boats. My thing. I'm so not. Ideally, yeah, I need one person on one ground, so you can like hold on for dear life or salt on me. I'm white. White. Look at that. Salt everywhere.
It's literally all over me.
You know. Finished jet skiing and golly, the salt water. Literally, that was my first time experiencing salt water. And whoa, it was flipping salty as hell. Literally splashing on my face, going on my lip. I'm like, whoa. Literally, my lips are white. Literally. Might have needed that, I don't know. But that was flipping amazing, bro. Look at the beach. Now, look at the views. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Well, yeah, guys, I'm gonna go catch the bus again. Take us back to the hotel. Probably come back to the beach at some point again. I don't know. But yeah, crazy fun. Crazy fun. But yeah, we're walking now. I mean, get the bus. But yeah, see you guys when we get back to the hotel. So guys, it's been a crazy adventurous day. And I am knackered. That's why I'm in bed. Sleep time. Sleep time. Well, yeah, guys, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit that like button. Dislike the video if you don't like it. Comment down below. Tell me if you like this video. Tell me if you enjoyed the jet skiing. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe as well. And yeah, I'm gonna hit the haystack and sleep because I am absolutely knackered. I spent the time editing the video. Literally, I've been editing the video. But yeah, guys. Anyway, tomorrow's gonna be another fun day. We'll be going out. I'll be taking the big camera with me, so I can get some clips for that because I've only actually used that twice. Yeah, twice. When I came and the next day when we went to the mall. But yeah, I'll be using the camera again. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.